Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now for years, the dream of a seamless connection between Bonny and the mainland felt distant, an aspiration overshadowed by challenges. But today, that dream is taking shape. The Bonny Bodo Road project is more than just a roadway. It is a symbol of resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to progress. Stretching 5,500 meters, this engineering marvel is being built with durable concrete, setting a new standard for road construction in Niger Delta. Why concrete? But it's built to last strong, reliable, and resilient against the region's tough terrain and heavy traffic. Designed to meet international standards, this road promises longevity, minimizing maintenance costs, and ensuring a smooth, sustainable future for all who journey through it. But beyond the structure itself lies the true heart of this project. The dedicated hands shaping it, the Julius Berger team, undeterred by the festive season, worked relentlessly, driven by the vision of a better, more connected tomorrow. Their commitment ensures that this project remains on track, pushing forward with precision, passion, and purpose. This is not just about transportation, it is about transformation. This road will boost trade, enhance travel, and unlock new opportunities, fueling growth and prosperity for Bonny, its surrounding communities, and beyond. To the residents of Bonny and to those who have longed to be part of this vibrant land but faced obstacles, hope is here. The future is unfolding before our eyes, and soon the journey will no longer be a challenge but a seamless connection to endless possibilities. The Bonny Bodo Road is nearing completion. The process is undeniable, the vision is clear, and the future bright than ever. Many thanks indeed to Julius Berger, the stakeholders in Bonny local government area, and all those who fought tooth and nail to ensure this project sees the light of the day. We'd love you to do well to share this video to those you think will want to see it, and also touch the like button so that this video can be recommended for more people to get to see. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We truly don't take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.